Hey there, welcome to the Wall of Color. Today in the wall we're taking a look at Amazon Soil from Benjamin Moore 2115-30 from their colored decks. And this has a low LRV of 13.3, so this is not a bright color, but when I look at it, those two coats of Amazon Soil, I really see purple was the first thing that comes to mind, but Benjamin Moore calls it a smoky plum, and I think that they really nail that description. This is a bold color. Where would you use it in your home? I see this as accent wall or maybe a den. Depends on where you're using it and what you're pairing it with. This could really bring the wow factor into a home or a room. So take a look at Amazon Soil from Benjamin Moore. Let us know your thoughts. Is this a color you'd like? Is this a color you'd use in your home? They say it brings instant ambience to a space, so let us know what space this would work in for you. Thanks again for watching. Please hit subscribe and like because it'll help other people interested in color find us.